There are three kind of times: past time, future time, and present time. So first of all, uh, this is al-bayt and min al-bayt. What was the meaning of min? From.
From.
This is yes. This is al-bayt means the house, and this is min al-bayt means from the house. Got it?
Yes.
So this is al-masjid. It means the mosque where the Muslim worship. So ilal masjid means to masjid, to mosque,
Yeah.
from the house to the mosque. So that is the preposition min and ila, from and to. So that is, it is the dialogue between the teacher and Muhammad. So this is the teacher al-mudarris. Uh, sorry, this one. This is al-mudarris min aina anta? Where are you from? So Muhammad says that ana min al-Yaban. I'm from Japan. And then uh, teacher says, Wamin aina Ammar? And where are Ammar from? Wamin, what's the meaning of min?
From.
From. Yes. Min aina? Where are from?
Where are you from?
Ammar. Yes. Where are Ammar from? So Muhammad says that Huwa min as-Sin. Uh, he is from China. Sin means
China.
China.
Okay.
China. So China, Sin.
See.
There is Al-Mudarris. This is the teacher. He says that Wamin Aina Hamid. Where is Hamid from? Hamid is the name of someone. So Muhammad says that Huwa min al-Hind. Hind means India.
India.
These
Okay.
days, India. Yes, he is from India. So Hind is the name of India. Al-Mudarris says that Aina Abbas. What is the meaning of Aina Abbas?
From
No.
where is Abbas?
Where is Abbas? Right. Because there is no min.
Yeah, there is a.
Aina, where? Where is Abbas? So this is the past tense, this one. So just like we says that went. Went is a past. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Go is a present. He goes, she goes, I go. So this is a past, present tense. And he went, I went, they went. So it is a past tense. So in Arabic, we will say kharaja. Kharaja. So it is a past tense. So kharaja. There will be a
And
after this letter. So what was
Khara.
you asking about?
You said Kharaja. Kharaja.
Yes, very good. KHA.
Okay.
So yes. Hmm. Remember that there will be a after the first letter. KH is the first letter.
Okay.
Kha. Kha. Got it?
Yes.
In every past tense, you will see A after the first letter.
Okay.
Kha is the first letter. So after Kha, I mean after KH, there will be A. Got it?
Yes.
In the
Yes.
past tense. So Kha, Ra. And there will be A and there can be E after the second letter.
Hmm.
After the second, there is R. Kha, Ra. The second letter is
Ra.
R. R, yes. So after a second lesson, there can be A, there can be E, there can be O. Just like uh, Kharaja. So there is A after the second letter. Got it?
Yes.
Yes. And after the third letter, there will be A. So it is must that there will be A after the first and the third letter. Got it?
First and the third letter.
First and third letter. So Kha, this is first letter, and J, that is the third letter. Got it?
Yes.
So it is must that there will be A after the first and A after the third letter.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes, that's clear.
So it is the kharaja. So it is the past tense. It means that he got out. He got out. Get. So get is the present tense and got means
Past.
got is the past tense. Got it?
Yeah.
Yes. So just like I get out, it means that now I am getting out. So he got out means that in the past era he got out. So kharaja means that he got out. He got out, right?
Yeah.
So so you can see here, there is a after the first letter.
Hmm.
Kha. And the third letter is ja. Kharaja. Third
Or
is ja. And you can see that there is a after the third letter.
hmm.
And the middle letter, the middle alphabet.
Huh.
You will focus on this one. It can be changed. So there can be A, there can be E, there can be O. Got it?
Yes.
Here is A. Here is A. Kharaja. Got out. So, for example, there is the second post, just like uh, haseba, haseba.
Hasiba.
He thought, he thought. Hmm.
He
Or
thought
you can say
Hua.
he guessed. He guessed.
Hua.
You can
Huh.
say he guessed. I guess means I guess. So he guessed. He guessed. Got it?
So we don't need to put Hua or Hia or something like that.
No, so it is not necessary. You can put, but it is not necessary. You can say huwa kharaja. You can say, but it's not necessary. Got it?
Okay.
So we will talk about it. First of all, you must know the structure of past tense. How can we make the past tense? Got it?
Yes. Yes.
So first of all, focus on this thing. So there's another past haseba. He guessed.
Hasiba.
Yes, he guessed. So he guessed it is a past tense, right?
Yes.
So now you can see the first letter is ha, the second is say, the third and ba. Got
So A
it?
is there after first and third letter.
Yes, after first and third letter. And the middle letter, you can see there is E after the say, after S. Got it? So that's why I told you that it can be changed.
Hmm. Okay.
Yes. So there is the uh, third. There is the third example. There is third example. Karuma. Write it. Karuma.
Karuma.
Yes, it is the past tense.
And it means
Just 1 second. So Karuma Zaidan. Karuma means that he spent a lot of money uh, on the people. So spent, spent.
spent.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yes, spent a lot of money on people. So he is very. So this means that Karuma, uh, it is the past. So ka, you can see a after the ka and ma after the first and the third. Got it?
Yes.
And there is the o of after the middle letter.
O or okay. O. Karuma.
Oh, yes, yes. So the middle letter, the alphabet after the middle letter, it can be changed, but after the first and third, It cannot be changed. Got it?
Okay, fine.
So this is kharaja. You can say huwa kharaja. It's better to say huwa kharaja. But so huwa kharaja, he got out. So huwa kharaja. And this is, you can see, aina zahaba. Zahaba, it is past tense. Zahaba means went.
Okay,
Where
Zahab.
did he go? Yes, where did he go? So where did he go? Aina zahaba. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Zahaba. This means that Zahaba, it's the answer. So he asked about where he went, where did he go. So this is Zahaba ilal mudire. Zahaba, huwa Zahaba. You can say huwa Zahaba. Got it?
Yeah.
So he went
To
ilal
the
mudir toward. Can you revise? Can you
uh
repeat?
and he went to the
Mudir
Mudire.
principal. Principal.
Oh, principal. Okay, Mudir.
Yes, yes. He went to principal. So this is uh Muhammad, this is Mudarris. So the teacher says and ask wa aina. Wa means and. Aina where. Zahaba went.
Hmm.
Ali. He asked about Ali. He asks about Ali that where did he go? So that is Zahaba past tense. He got out. So where is he now? So Zahaba, he went. Huwa Zahaba. You can say Huwa Zahaba. Zahaba, he went ilal mirhad, to the toilet. This is mirhaz.
Okay.
Yes. Is there any problem in the past tense?
No, no. Today, I think I can understand a little better.
Yes. So
Just,
you will.
it's just the A in first and last sentence and all these things. Only that.
Yes. Yes. This is the right. So after that, min aina anta. So you can see min aina anta. Can you?
From where are you?
Yes. What's the
Um,
answer?
from
You
where
can
are
say
you?
I'm from USA. How you
Aina,
will say?
Aina min Amerikiyun.
Yes, أنا من أمريكا. أنا
America.
من أمريكا.
America. Okay.
Yes, American means that American. You cannot
Oh,
say I am
okay.
from American. You cannot say I'm from American. You will say I'm from America.
Okay.
So I'm from America. So this is min aina anta. Where are you from? So you will say I am from America. So you will say that أنا من أمريكا. أنا من أمريكا.
Hmm.
Got it? Hmm.
Got it.
This is a. This is for question. Are. Anta, are you من الفلبين? Are you from Philippine? Are you from Philippine? If you are from Philippine, you will say نعم. أنا من الفلبين. نعم. أنا من أنا
Uh, Anna min Philippine.
من Philippine. Yes. So
It's
Arab
all
people say that
Philippine is also Philippine in.
Philippine. Philippine.
Okay.
Name of country. Yes. So if you are not from Philippines, so you will say uh, لا لا أنا من أمريكا.
Okay.
لا.
I'm from
No,
America.
I'm from America. So man means who.
What means who?
Is
Yeah.
and men means where. Man minasin, who is from China. Sorry, China. So uh, so man minasin, who is from China. So you can say Ahmad minasin, name of anyone. So Ahmad minasin. Got it?
Yeah. Ahmed min
Hmm.
Asim. Ahmed is from China.
Yes, Ahmad minasin. Edward minasin. Min aina. Hamid. Where is Hamid from? You can say Hamid from Hamid min America. Hamid min America. Min aina Hamid? How can you answer?
Min Aina Hamid.
Hmm. Where is Hamid from?
Where is Hamid from? Hamid
Min
Min
America.
America. Okay.
Yes, Hamid min America. Aina zahaba. This is past tense. Aina zahaba. Zahaba means went. Where? So went Abbas. Where did Abbas go?
Okay, where did Abbas
Got
go?
yes. So azahaba. So that's his this answer. Aina zahaba Abbasun. Where did Abbas go? The answer is zahaba ilal mudire. Went to the principal. Zahaba. You can say huwa zahaba. Got it?
Yes, got it.
Zahaba ilal mudire. So this is the question again. Azahaba Aliyun. Is Ali? So this will be did Ali go to the principal? Azahaba. Zahaba means past, went.
Hmm.
So it's a question. It will be did Ali, this is Ali, name of anyone. So did Ali go to the Elal Mudiri to principal? Got it?
Yes.
Azahaba Aliyun Elal Mudiri. Ali, did Ali, this is a means it's for question. Did Ali Zahaba go? Did Ali go Elal Madrasa? Sorry, Elal Mudir to the principal. Is there any problem in this sentence?
No, Sam.
So ذهب علي إلى المدير. What's the meaning?
Um,
ذهب
Zahaba
is
went.
yes,
He went to
yes,
the principal.
yes, to the principal. So this the answer is ذهب علي إلى المدير. Yes, نعم. نعم ذهب علي إلى المدير.
Okay.
نعم, yes. ذهب, he went. إلى المدير, to the principal. So this is read and write each of the following words. So this is al-ghurfa tu. This will be al-ghurfa tu. I
And
told, yes, I told that there will be o in the last of every noun. Al-ghurfa tu.
the room.
Yes, the room. So min al-ghurfa. This is min and this min. This is ila. This is min. This is ila. These are the
Pro-
prepositions.
Prepositions. Okay.
So, no, this is I think pronoun. No, this is preposition, not pronoun.
Yeah.
Pronoun is he, she, it. This is pronoun. So these
Hmm.
are the prepositions. Men, ela. So uh, if we add this men and ela in the start of any noun, so there will be e in the last. Minal ghurfate, ela sine, minal hinde. Got it? Minal
Yes.
hammame, ilal mirhade. So it's the impact of this ila. So menal ghurfa, this is al ghurfa tu, and this is menal ghurfa te, menal hammame, al mirhadu, because there is no men and no ila in the start. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Ilal mirhaze, al yabanu, because there is no men and no ila in the start. Al-Filipino, because there is no min and no fee in the start. Min al-Hindi, because there is min in the start. Ila Sine, there is ila in the start. So where you see preposition in the beginning, so there will be e in the last. Min al-Hammame, got it? Ila
Yes.
al-Mirhadi, ila Sine, min al-Hindi, min al-Ghurfate, there will be e in the last. So I told you that this is in the written Arabic. In spoken Arabic, we say that min al ghurfat, min al hammam, min ila al mirhaz, min al hind, ila sin. Got it?
Yeah.
So in spoken Arabic, it is not necessary to say that ila sine. So ila sin, you can say ila sin, min al
Ila.
hammam, ila al mirhaz. So what is this? Al ghurfa to the room. Min al ghurfati, from the room. Min al hammami,
From
from
bathroom.
washroom, bathroom, yes.
Hmm.
Min al, sorry, al mirhadu, toilet. Il al mirhazi, to the toilet. Al yabanu, name of Japan in Arabic. Al Philippine, name of Philippine in Arabic. Min al Hindi, from India.
Hmm.
Il al Sine, to
China. Two.
China. So, this is ila, to. There was another preposition, ala, ala. This is ila. There was another preposition, ala.
Uh-huh.
So, ala, meaning of ala was on the table. Ala al maktab,
Yeah.
on the table.
On the table. Yeah.
Yes, in the previous lesson, I have taught that ala means on. Ala al maktab, on the table, on the desk. Ala sarire, on the bed. Ala al kursiye, on the chair. Got it?
Yes.
And this is ela. Ela means to. If there is any difficult word, any complication, you can ask me. So this is اقرأ واكتب, read and write. اقرأ means read. اقرأ, read.
Read.
Yes, اقرأ. اقرأ.
Can you say like
E,
this? E.
yes, EQ
E.
or RA.
Ikra.
Or yes, اقرأ. You will stretch the last. اقرأ. This
Ikra.
one. Yes, اقرأ. And this
And
is,
to write.
yes, waktab wa means and. Waktub, right. Al kitab, book. So the
No.
written thing,
1 minute. He said,
yes,
you said ikra means to read.
yes, this is read. Ikra means read. Yes,
To read.
yes. Ikra, read. Waktub, write. Read and write. Got it?
Yeah, got it.
Hmm. Min aina Fatimatu. Where is Fatma from? Fatma is the name of female because there is ta in the last. Got it?
Yeah.
This one, Fatimatu. Where you see this ta in the last, it means that it will be feminine. Hiya, hiya means she. Min al Hindi, she is from India. Got it?
Yes, I got it.
Hmm. Kharaja. What's this? Noun or past tense?
Past tense. Got out.
Yes, very good. Very good. Kharaja got out. Kharaj al mudarrisu. Uh,
The teacher.
teacher. Yes, the teacher got out. Min al fasle, from the class. Fasl means class. Al faslu.
So one more
The
question. Past
hmm.
tense, we put the verb first.
Yes, it's necessary to put verb first in Arabic.
No, for example,
Hmm.
the teacher in present tense, the
Hmm.
teacher is sitting down. So we say al
Hmm.
mudarrisa jalisa. Al
Jalison, yes. So, right. Actually, there are two types of sentences in Arabic.
Okay.
So this is the part of grammar. So there are two type of sentences in Arabic. In English, you can see if there is a verb in a sentence, so it will be after the noun. Got it?
Okay.
Is in English, I think it's necessary if there is a verb in the sentence, so it will be after the noun. Am
Hmm.
I right?
Yeah.
But it is not necessary in Arabic. So there are two type of sentences. So you can uh, the noun can precede the verb and it can follow the verb. So both are right. Got it?
Okay.
So, but the rule will be changed. If it follow the noun, so the rule is there will be the another rule. If it precede the noun, so there will be another rule. So it is the part of grammar. So if you want to read this, I will teach you this thing as well. But first of all, you will focus on the structure of the past tense. After
Hmm.
that, I will teach you this thing as well. That when it follow the noun, the verb, and when it precede the noun. Got it?
Yes, sir, got it.
So this is you can say al mudarrisu kharaja. You can say this thing. Al mudarrisu kharaja. Got it?
Okay, so you
So
can say anyway, like that first or this first.
yes, you can say anyway, but if there is the plural, so if there is a plural, just like many teachers, got it?
Okay, yeah.
Three teachers. So the plural is al mudarrisuna. What is the plural of mudarris? Al
You said
mudarrisu. Hmm?
al mudarrisuna,
Yes, yes, it is the plural of al mudarrisu.
so the teachers.
Yes, teacher. Al mudarrisuna.
Okay.
Suna. Suna in the last.
Hmm.
Al mudarrisuna.
So for all nouns, we put na
Yes,
in.
no, no, no. For 60 or 70% of nouns, you will put Ona in the last.
Okay.
60 or
Like for
70%.
female teacher, we say mudarrisata, mudarris.
Mudarrisatun. Yes, just like AT. You will put AT in the last in the female teacher. So it is
Hmm.
is 60 or 70% of noun. You will put Ona in the last of male name.
Okay.
Just like al mudarris, so the plural is al mudarrisuna.
Okay.
Hmm. And al mudarrisatun, female teacher. Al mudarrisatu.
Al mudarrisatuna.
Al mudarrisatu. Last,
Oh, okay.
not tuna, but the al mudarrisatu. It's enough. Al mudarrisat.
Mudarris. Double A T U.
Yes, right. Very good. ATO. O and U. So another example, muhandis. Al muhandisu.
Hmm.
Hmm. What's the meaning of al
Mohan,
muhandis?
engineer. The
Engineer.
engineer.
Yes. What's the plural? You can
Mohan
make.
Suna.
Yes, very good. Muhandisuna. And muhandisatun, it is the female engineer. So what's the plural?
Mohan Desatu.
Right, very good. It's amazing. Excellent. So kharaj al mudarrisu. So the plural is kharaj al mudarrisuna.
Hmm.
So if you make if you make it the singular, so it will be al mudarrisu. So kharaj al mudarrisu. Got it?
Yeah, got it.
So if this is three teachers, for example, so it will be al-mudarrisuna. So this thing will be the same. The fail will be same. Got it?
Got it, sir.
So kharaj al-mudarrisu, the teacher, one teacher got out. Kharaj al-mudarrisuna, for example, three teachers or four teachers or many teachers, 10 teachers, 12 teachers got out. Got it? If you bring the noun first, just like al-mudarrisu kharaja. Got it?
Got it, got it.
So it will be the same. Al-mudarrisu kharaja. But in the plural, it will be changed. The verb will be changed.
Okay.
That's why it's a little bit difficult. That's why I didn't teach you this thing. So after a few lessons, we will focus on this thing.
Yeah, it is a bit difficult.
Yes,
Like
it's a bit difficult. Now you can see that if you bring al-mudarris in the start, so it will be al-mudarrisu kharaja. But if it is the plural, al-mudarrisuna, it will be kharaju.
okay.
It will be kharaju. You will add double O in the last. Kharaju. Al-mudarrisuna kharaju. Got it?
Sir, can you repeat? You said for plural we use mudarris.
Al-mudarrisuna kharaju.
Kharaju. Okay, so we don't say ja anymore. We say ju for plural.
Yes, it's proper rule. It's when you bring the al-mudarrisu in the start.
Okay.
If you don't bring al-mudarrisu in the start, just like you say kharaja in the start and after that al-mudarrisu, it will be same in all cases. Kharaj al-mudarrisu and kharaj al-mudarrisuna.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, got it.
So that's why this is better for you, for the beginners, to bring the noun after the verb.
Okay.
It is the opposite of English.
So noun is better.
Yes, it's better for you to bring the verb in the start. Not just like in English, because in English, the noun is first and the verb is second thing. Just like Ahmad got out. Is it clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
So kharaj al mudarrisu, and in the plural case, you will say kharaj al mudarrisuna. Min al fasli, from the class, wa zahaba ila al mudiri. Mudir means principal, wa zahaba means went. Got it? So this thing is zahabat tajiru ila dukani. Tajir means merchant, businessman. So this is zahaba tajiru. The merchant went ila dukani, to shopkeeper, to the shop, to shop. Is it clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Zahabat tajiru ila dukani. The merchant went to the shop. So this is kharaja hamidun min al-ghurfati. Can you translate it? Hamid is the name of anyone.
So can you repeat it, please?
Yes, kharaja hamidun min al-ghurfati. Kharaja hamid min al-ghurfati.
Hamid went.
Right, very good.
Went
Got
to.
out. Kharaja got out. Yes. Min al-ghurfati.
Room. Got out of the room.
From the room. Yes, very good. Got out of the room. Right. وذهب إلى الحمام. وذهب.
And from the bathroom.
Yes. وذهب and went إلى الحمام.
Or toilet.
Yes. Got it. Very good. Man means who. It's question. Man kharaja min al-fasli. Man kharaja min al-fasli. Man.
Who who
Right.
who got out of the class?
Yes. Who did go out of the class? Who got out of the class? Very good. Right. Do you want to repeat it or it's enough?
No, it's okay. Yeah.
Yes. Very good. Right. So this is the sixth one. خرج الطالب خرج الطالب من المدرسة. What's the meaning?
The student got out of
Right.
the madrasa,
Madrasa. School.
school, madrasa.
Right. Very good. وذهب إلى السوق.
And went
Right. إلى السوق market. Market.
supermarket.
Right. Very good. خديجة name of female. خديجة من الصين.
Khadija is from China.
Very good. وخالد name of male من اليابان.
Khalid is from Japan.
Very good. Right. Excellent. So this is that fill in the blanks. This is the blanks. So you will put men from. You can put ela to. You can put fee. Fee means in. Got it? In the room. Fil ghurfa. In the room. Fil ghurfa. This is men. What's the meaning of men? From. Yes. Ela. Meaning is to the market.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
This is fee. Fee means in. This thing. Men. This is men from. This is ela to. This is fee in. This is ala on. Is it clear?
Yes, that's true.
So this is that al-kitabu maktab. This is the book is table. The book is the blank and table. So the in English, make it in the English first. So the book is table.
On.
The book is on the table. Very good, right. So al-kitabu, the book. Table al-maktab. So on, this is ala. Al-kitabu ala al-maktab. Al-kitabu
Ala al-maktab.
ala al-maktab. The book is ala on al-maktab, the table. The second one is the student, the class. What can we say in English? The student is
in the class.
Yes, in the class. So this is in. So fee. At-talibu, the student. Fee in the fasal, in the class. At-talibu fil fasli. At-talibu fil fasli. Clear?
Yeah.
This is zahaba means went. Zahaba means went. Hamid, name of anyone. So Hamid went
Hamid
university.
went.
University.
So university is
Hamid went.
Jamiatu. Al
So
Jamiatu.
it's right, but Hamid went in English. How can you say? Hamid went university.
Zahaba.
No.
Hamid
To or in or on or from.
Oh, Hamid went to the university.
To university, yes, to. So to is ila. Ila. ذهب حامد الجامعة. إلى الجامعة. Got it?
Yes, sir.
ذهب went. Hamid went إلى الجامعة to university. Clear?
Yes.
ذهب حامد. We will repeat. So خرج المدير. خرج. خرج means got out. المدير means principal. المدرسة.
The principal got out from the school.
Yes, من المدرسة. من from. خرج المدير من المدرسة. خرج المدير من المدرسة. What's the translation? خرج المدير من المدرسة.
The principal got out from the school.
From the school, right. So there are two blanks. So Zahaba means went. Muhammad went China, Japan, from one to another. So Muhammad went from China to Japan. Zahaba Muhammadun.
Zahaba.
Muhammadun. Zahaba Muhammadun. Muhammad went from China.
Min Sin.
Minasin, right. To Japan.
Ila Yaban.
Ilalia. Ilayaban. Very good, right. Ilayaban. So this is the four prepositions. It's very important. So this is men. What's the meaning of men?
From.
From, right.
So, sir, how do you find the difference between ilal and ila?
Ila and
Ilal, like, is it the same?
this one and this one? So, no. The Ela, E-L-A. Ela. Meaning is.
Oh, ila. Okay.
Yes, E-L-A. Yes, this is E-L-A. It means two. Got it?
Got it.
Yes. The second one is Ala. A-L-A. Ala. You can write double A-L-A. Got it?
Got it.
So ala means on. Alal maktab, on the table. Alal maktab, on the table. Alas sarire, on the bed.
On the bed.
And ila is another thing. To. Ilal Yaban, to Japan.
Okay.
Ila Sin, to Chin. To China. Ila Sin, to China.
Okay, so I understand now. Il and L.
Yes.
Okay.
So we should repeat it. There are four prepositions. Min, from. This is min. This one, from. This is ela, E-L-A.
E-L-A.
To. Just like from university to home. Minal jami'ati ilal bayt. So this is the pair of preposition. So just like from one place to another place. Min and ila. This is one pair. So min and ila. Min, from, ila, to. Clear?
Clear.
So fi and ala, this is another pair. Couple of letter, you can say couple of preposition. So fi and ala. So it is the first couple and this is the second couple. So This is fee in under the in. Fee means in.
Yeah.
Just like in the room, in the house, in the university. So fee means in. Ala means ala. Ala means on the top of anything.
Okay.
Got it? So it is the first pair and this is the second pair. Got it?
Got it. Got it.
So al-kitabu ala al-maktabi. Ala. This one. Ala. On. Ala. You can see here on. Al-kitabu. The book is on the table. Al-kitabu ala al-maktabi. Ala. This one.
Got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
At-talibu fil fasli. The student fee. In. This is fee. It is the meaning. In. At-talibu fil fasli. The student is in the class. Got it?
Got it, sir.
Zahaba is the past tense. So Zahaba means that went. Hamid. Hamid went to university. Ilal jami'ati ila. This one. To. Ila. To. Zahaba Hamidun ilal jami'ati. Hamid went to university. Kharaj al mudiru. The principal got out. From school. Kharaj al mudiru
Min.
min al madrasati. Min al madrasa. You can say min al madrasa. You can say min al madrasati.
Okay.
Kharaj al mudiru. Principal. The principal got out min al madrasati. From the school. Yes. Zahaba Muhammad. Muhammad went from China to Japan. Minas Sine from China. Ilal Yaban to Japan. Zahaba Muhammadun Minas Sine Ilal Yaban. Minas Sine from China Ilal Yaban to Japan.
Japan. Okay.
Zahaba Muhammadun from China to Japan. So memorize this thing. This is very important. Min, from, ila, to, fi, in, and ala, on. These are the two pairs. Min and ila is one, and fi and ala is second pair. Is it clear?
Yes, it's clear. Now it's a little bit more clear.
Very good, right. So these are the new words. Al-kalimatul jadida means new word. Jadid means new.
Okay.
New. So this is al-madrasa, school. Al-fasl, class. Al-hammam, washroom, bathroom. Al-mirhouse, toilet. Is these four are clear?
Yeah.
These
These
four
are
four
actually-
nouns.
Yeah.
Yes. Al-madbakh, kitchen.
Okay.
Al-ghurfatu, room, the room. Al-jami'atu, the university. As-suq, market. Al-Yaban, name of Japan. As-Sin, name of China. Al-Hind, India. I told you that India has three or four names.
Yeah.
Hind, Hindustan, India, Bharat.
Hmm.
So these are the three or four names of India. Philippine, Philippine.
But in Arabic, we use only Hind.
Yes, in Arabic you use only hand in Arabic. So we here they use Bharat in Urdu language. In English we use India. I think in English we use India only.
Yeah, English we use India.
Yes, I think Hind is not used in English. So this is Al Mudir principle. Zahaba. So these two are the past tenses. Zahaba means went.
Hind.
This is past. This is past. Kharaja got out. So these are the four uh, prepositions. Fi means fi, in.
In.
Ala,
On.
on. Ala, not ila.
Yeah.
Ala, on.
On.
Min, from.
From.
Ila,
In.
to.
Two,
Ila,
sorry.
to, yes. Towards or to.
Yeah.
So fi means in.
In.
Yes. Ala means ala, not ila. Ala, on the top of anything. On. Min means from. Ila means to. Min, from. Ila means to. This is the revision. So this is the new thing. As-sama'u, sky. As-sama'u.
Yeah, this one I remember.
Yes, you have written, I think, in previous class. Al-arzu, the earth, land.
Yeah, that also I've written.
Yes, this is the next lesson. In the next class, we will learn, inshallah.
Is it about past tense also?
Hmm?
What is the next class about?
The next class is this is the dialogue between two people. So it is the revision as well, but there is some new things, just like the book of Hamid. How can we say the book of Hamid? Car of Yasser, school of the principal. How can we say of in English? School of principal, University of America. How can we say this thing? Got it?
Okay.
Yes. 2 o'clock of PM, 1 o'clock of AM. So yes, my room, my house. How can we say this thing? So in the upcoming class, we will focus on this thing. Got it? Hmm. So revise and memorize this thing. It is very important that what is the meaning of he, ala, and ela, and men. We can repeat it in the upcoming class, inshallah. We can repeat it because it is very important.